The CloneDock HDD duplicator, disk drive hard reader, SATA hard drive docking station, USB 3.0 SSD HDD docking station. Dual Bay is a remarkable storage solution for tech enthusiasts and professionals alike. Designed to accommodate both 2.5-inch and 3.5-inch SATA HDD and SSD drives, it presents an excellent choice for anyone looking to duplicate, read, or troubleshoot hard drives efficiently. Equipped with a USB 3.0 interface and UASP support, this docking station offers high-speed file transfers and excellent backward compatibility with USB 2.0 and USB 1.1 standards. What sets it apart from typical docking stations is its offline clone functionality, which doesn't require a computer, enabling you to quickly duplicate drives with minimal setup. With support for hard drives up to 12 terabytes per bay, it sees use in large storage requirements. Real-life usage shows impressive reliability and performance, especially in tasks involving data retrieval, backups, and drive troubleshooting. However, some users noted drawbacks, such as no individual drive power switch control. Compared with competing products in its range, the CloneDock stands out due to its robust offline operation and user-friendly design. To maximize its utility, ensure you follow proper handling and maintenance. In summary, this docking station is ideal for data enthusiasts, backup managers, and those needing quick drive duplications. Its balance of performance, compatibility, and affordability makes it a must-consider in the docking station market.